It was so great because this is our first time to play in the World Cup, It's so lovely. We really love the game. We've been in a residential training together, and this is why we're together and we are doing everything together as a team.
I really feel so humbled and great, and on top of that we are so delighted for the win. We never expected it, but we thank God that we managed the game. Wow, it's so nice. The crowd was so lovely and amazing to us. Actually, each time we tried to get low, they were lifting us higher and higher. So many people have wished to represent their own countries, but have not made it. So basing on the fact that we are here to represent our country, it means we are blessed.
We were disappointed because that match was very important, and as was yesterday's in terms of making the World Cup or the top 8, and we haven't been able to do that. So disappointed, first 2 matches and 2 losses.